Hello and welcome to this Astranti Microsoft Excel video. And this video we are going to be talking about how you can use flash fill and the flash fill function to save you time and use Microsoft Excel in a much more efficient way than you would otherwise. So what is flash fill? Well, flash fill will detect patterns or trends in the data that you're inputting into Microsoft Excel and allow you, with the click of a button, to fill out a column or row with all the data that follows this trend or pattern. So rather than having to enter out manually lists and lists of data, instead you can use the flash fill function to do it automatically and save you a lot of time. And you can see we've got this worksheet in front of us. It's all about employees of this imaginary organization and the kinds of sales numbers that they're generating day to day. So it's daily sales. And we have our list of employees, and that is where we are going to start. The first task using flash fill is going to be to automatically fill out this list of full names based on the list of first and last names that we have here. And the first thing that you are going to want to do when you want to use flash fill is you do need to fill in the top row or column of the table that you want to be filling out using flash fill. So we filled out here Janice Smith, the full name that corresponds to the first name and the last name in the columns next to it. And if you want to initiate flash fill, all you need to do is click on the top cell in the row or column, the cell that you want to be basing the pattern off, and you want to be pressing Control E. And we press Control E, and there you have it. The list of full names is automatically filled out for you. And obviously, I am aware in this example, you probably could manually fill out this list of full names. It's not a particularly long list. So while we are saving some time, we're not saving a massive amount of time, but in the future, you may have to deal with extremely long lists of data. Suppose we're operating in a much larger company. This list of employees and their sales numbers could be hundreds and hundreds of rows deep, and you would not want to be typing out the full name in full manually every single time. So these are the kinds of scenarios where flash fill can be really useful to you. So just to reiterate, we'll go through it again. All you need to do is click on this top cell and press Control E, and flash fill will be initiated. But life always isn't going to be that easy. There are going to be times where you're going to have to generate a more complicated series of data. And that's where we're going to introduce this second task. Now, what we're going to want to be doing, you can see we have the 1st of the 1st, 2022 filled out. We want to be filling out a list of dates along this row. We're going to be filling it out. And we can't be bothered to do this manually. We're going to be saving time, and we're going to be doing this through the advanced fill options. So your second task is to use the advanced fill series options to fill out this list of dates.
And if you enjoyed that video and would like to see more from us, be sure to like and subscribe, and consider following us on social media like Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, or go to our website linked in the description.